We are incredibly excited to announce the acquisition of Nature's Remedy, a fully vertically integrated business in Massachusetts with 2 adult-use retail locations and a 50,000 square foot cultivation and processing facility within a larger 185,000 square foot building. Jushi Holdings will acquire Nature's Remedy for up to $110 million. The deal consideration is $40 million of cash, $55 million of stock, $5 million of a 16-month seller note, and up to $10 million in stock-based milestone payments. We believe Nature's Remedy's 2021 EBITDA will be between $22 to $24 million, and the purchase price will therefore represent 4.5 to 5 times EBITDA multiple of that 2021 EBITDA. We believe that the 2022 EBITDA will be between $34 to $38 million, assuming no expansion of the facility, representing 2.9 to 3.2 times EBITDA multiple of that 2022 EBITDA. I would also note that the company will be debt-free at the close except for a lease in place at the facility in Lakeville and has owned real estate in Grafton, Tingsboro, and Millbury with significant appraised value. Nature's Remedy's 50,000 square foot cultivation and processing facility is located in Lakeville, Massachusetts. The facility currently has around 19,500 square feet of operational canopy. The facility currently supplies Nature's Remedy's retail stores and wholesale market with branded flower products, CO2 extracted vapes, edibles, and tinctures. Nature's Remedy plans to grow in the wholesale market in 2021, and once the acquisition is complete, Jushi also plans to roll out our best-selling product lines in Massachusetts and further grow revenues in the wholesale market. There are significant opportunities for expansion within the company's current grower-processor building, as well as on land that the company owns in Grafton, where Nature's Remedy has a host community agreement and a provisional license with the Cannabis Control Commission for a second grower processor. Jushi should be able to add an estimated 35,000 to 40,000 square feet of additional canopy under the existing license and the provisional license. The company's 2 adult-use retail stores in Tingsboro and Millbury are well located in high traffic areas and in close proximity to major shopping destinations. Tingsboro is located just across the New Hampshire border in northern Middlesex County. It's just south of Nashua, the second largest city in the state of New Hampshire. The Millbury dispensary is located just south of Worcester and caters primarily to the local population and the vast underserved area surrounding it. In addition, there are opportunities to expand the retail network by adding 1 additional adult use storefront and 2 medical stores through application and acquisition. We expect to diligently pursue further retail opportunities. Although Massachusetts will not grow as fast as Pennsylvania or Virginia, which are 2 of Jushi's 3 existing cornerstone states, we would note that the population of Massachusetts is approximately 6.8 million residents, while Colorado, one of the more mature markets that went adult use in 2014, has 5.8 million residents. The Massachusetts market had a run rate of about $1 billion of sales in February of 2021, while Colorado had a market size of approximately $2.2 billion in 2020. The Colorado market had a 25% growth rate in sales from 2019 to 2020. Spend per capita in Massachusetts is $150 per person, while Colorado and Oregon are about $250 to $375 per person. This data underscores that there's still plenty of room to grow in Massachusetts. Over the past few years, Jushi has diligenced well over a dozen opportunities in the state of Massachusetts. As a result of this work, we feel very confident in our ability to operate in Massachusetts. We believe Nature's Remedy has the best combination of management and shared values of all the companies that we have diligenced.
We take a holistic approach and we look at it as an employee-run business. We look to have a culture where everybody's involved in the decisions that we make. Our goal was a humble goal that we wanted to make the best cannabis in the world. And so we felt that to do that, we needed to involve everybody through the production chain, all the way to selling it, to give us feedback as to how we could make the best product in the world and deliver it to the world. We've been approached in the past, and when Jushi came and we met the people and we looked them up, they had a very different approach to it. They're very businesslike, like we are, and their goal was to be the best in the world. And after meeting them, it was the first time we ever felt like there was a real fit for a company that we would want to be part of. Culturally and intellectually, it was a perfect fit for us.
We have cultivation. Within that cultivation, we have extraction capabilities.
We grow exclusively rockwool. We use drip emitters to irrigate our plants. We have 8 flower rooms, and we have 3 other flower rooms that will be up in the next month. We grow about 30 different strains and continue to look for more to kind of have the best strains on the market and the best product we can put on the market. We balance out the craft growing in a large scale facility and try to hold on as much of that craft grow as we can to put really a superior product on the shelf. The veg room is a triple stacked room. We use pip racking. Right now we have high pressure sodium flower rooms. We're converting all those flower rooms into LED. The LED lights we use it's a brand new light to the industry. It's called the Think Light from Washeen Engineering. Fantastic lights, and we're really starting to dial them in to have a great yield, have unique terpene profile, and just great results. Extraction method here is CO2 supercritical. Really produce a great distillate. The next couple weeks we'll be diving into bubble hash and rosin and continue to advance the products coming out of the extraction.
We have a little over 160 employees between our cultivation and product manufacturing facility here in Lakeville and our 2 retail dispensaries. I'm really excited to work with the Jushi team. I think their vision and strategy for the cannabis industry aligns really nicely with what we've had in mind from the beginning at Nature's Remedy. The opportunity to work with their team and use their resources to build and expand upon what we've envisioned for ourselves as a company, but also for the cannabis industry overall, is going to be really powerful and impactful to what we do.
This is really exciting for us as a team. I think we've always envisioned us to partner with another group. It really works because they're focused on their clientele and they just really take care of their employees.
Nature's Remedy is a strategic acquisition where we are acquiring a very well-managed company. Jushi is looking forward to working with Nature's Remedy's existing management team and a very talented workforce to maximize the company's assets in Massachusetts, as well as utilizing some of Nature's Remedy's talent, techniques, recipes, and formulations in our other markets. The acquisition will be bolted on to Jushi's existing platform and will not require a material increase in our corporate overhead. Our investor relations staff will be available for any further questions you may have. Thank you for your interest in Jushi.